Hello guys, once again, I'm Kamayo. Now our topic is about creating a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So we will make our monthly recurring expenses worksheet. Recurring expenses. As you can see, these are header or name of our worksheet overlaps our columns, column A, B, C, but there's no issue because as you can see here in our formula bar, it's showing our complete worksheet name, so there's no issue for that. Sometimes you cannot see this, so what will we do if we cannot see this formula bar? Just go to our ribbon. This is our ribbon. This is our tab, ribbon tab rather. Then here, view. Just select this view. Then now you can see here our formula bar is checked. If this one is unchecked, so we cannot see formula bar here. So again, we'll put back our formula bar. Just make it check this one. Also, here it's showing headings. It's showing check. So these headings, this is the one. These are column with alphabetical order, and this one also are row. This one is row. This number 1, 2, 3. This is our row. If we will uncheck these headings, this one are column and row headings, it will hide. Look, all headings, column and row headings, it will hide. So we will unhide that one. And this one also, this is a grid lines. As you can see here, it looks we have our table, existing table. But if you preview this one, just press your Ctrl P. Now, as you can see, only monthly recurring expenses without any border or tables showing here. So we will try to hide this one. Just select this one, grid lines. Look, that grid lines only emphasizing to us that we have each a row and columns have a corresponding cell. So we'll put back again. Okay, we'll proceed with our worksheet. I will put Kamayo ako. Kamayo ako. Ako company. Wow, company. Hit enter. So we'll put particulars. Then January, February. So since it took time for us to type January, February, March, April, so this is how we make a faster. We already put the January, February, so just highlight these two. Then as you can see, this is a plus sign. Then you just press your mouse button, the left side, just press this one, then drag to the right. March, April, May, June. Okay, then I will put water bill, electric bill, internet, see others. As we can see here, the water bill or this electric bill also overlap our second column. So we have some tweakings. We can adjust this one by using this one and slide, or example, I will put this one, slide this one, it's hiding. So the easy way to unhide or to fix this issue, just put our cursor here, just click this one here, then put our cursor this one here, then just press Ctrl in our keyboard, then here if you can see plus sign, just double click. Look, now it's fixed. January, February, this one is according to the size of this month. However, as you notice, this one is not good looking since column is uneven. So we need to make it the same column size. So what we'll do is just highlight this one, then select, right click, then column width, this one. Okay, we'll try 5. So it's showing very small, so we will put a 15. Okay, now it's okay, it's even. Then we will reduce this one. You can slide this one, slide that one, or we can also select this one, right click, then width. So we can put 20. Now it's okay. So we'll make it in center. Just select all, home, then this one, center. So we'll put 750. Just copy, then highlight all, then hit enter. Then this is the only example na data. Just highlight and enter. You can type one by one, but this is the easy way. Again guys, as you can see, this one, this square, this one, this our cursor. So we can move in a direction. Just use our arrow, left arrow, right, then down, then up. So this is the one. Also, if we put here, instead of using our right arrow here like that one, we can use our tab. 1, 2, 3, tab, 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 tab. However, if we will type example June, July, if we will hit tab, then this cursor will go to the next one, tab. Then example, if I type again July also, if I hit enter, this cursor also will go down. So now how we will remain in the same cell? Example, if we hit enter, so meaning example again, I will type July. So we can keep the same cell while hitting enter, but we need to press Ctrl. So since we need to remain in the same cell after entering data, so we can use Ctrl, just press Ctrl and hit enter. Look, we are in the same cell. Unlike if we will type July, then hit enter, cursor will go down. If we use again, if we type July, then if we will hit tab, it will go to the next column. So again, since we need to put the cursor in the same cell, so again I will type July, just press Ctrl, then hit enter. Now we are in the same cell. Got it? Okay. Then we'll proceed to the next data. I will put 99. This data is just only a illustration, just to show you how to make a worksheet. So now we have a worksheet. This one. So the easy way to total this like January, so you just go here, home tab, then auto sum. You can use only to just select this one or click this one. Automatically this one will auto sum, then hit enter. Okay, we will change this this one. We just only Ctrl C, then again move to the right, then press Shift K in our keyboard. Also hit our arrow right in our keyboard. Right, move right, move right, move right, and hit enter. So now we have our total. Just to make it a more good looking, we'll put this one color and this one color. Okay. Now we have our worksheet. Sometimes we need to edit this one. So what will we do? Just select which we need to edit. Like this monthly recurring expenses, we can say it daily, monthly, or yearly. So now we will try to edit this monthly. Instead of monthly, we'll put a daily. So how? First step, select this one. If we will double click, placing our cursor inside our current cell, then if we will double click again, it will select the word which we want to edit or type, like a daily. So I can type daily. So again, I will another way to edit, we can use our formula bar to edit our data, like this one. Just select this one, then highlight, then just type, enter. Okay, now we have worksheet. This is a simple, but this is very helpful for the new or for the beginner. Thank you and God bless.